All right, today we are talking about the Canon Esprit point and shoot 35mm film camera. It is a very compact point and shoot. It has a 3.5 to 22 f-stop on this camera. It is one of Canon's smaller and more compact cameras. You can even just easily toss it in your pocket, which is beautiful. This one also has I think it's called a data back. So you record the date and stamp a time on your film shots, which is pretty cool. I currently have it turned off. I don't think I need it. The beauty of this camera is that it's fully automatic. So it shoots automatically with flash or not in some settings. And then you can toggle down this little button right here, and that'll just shut off flash automatically for you. The one downside to this camera is that there's no cover on top of the front element of your lens. So that is a downside. You could easily scratch your glass on it. So you do have to be a little more careful with that. Today we're gonna rock some Fuji 400 in this camera. We're here in Savannah, Georgia. So another little vlog or video in Savannah, I should say. But yeah, we're gonna take this outside and we're gonna see how well this camera performs. And honestly, in my opinion, I think it's one of Canon's more versatile and underrated point and shoot pocketable cameras. So let's see how this goes.
But yeah, you are open to the urges to be able to walk up to the next person, stop, reset, something like that. So you're not really like sitting in.
Hey, I have a weird question. Can I get a photo of you smoking?
Why?
It's just cool in the rain. So you can say no. It's okay. Yeah, that's fine, man. I appreciate it. Thank you.
I'm wanted in like 52 states.
there's a bunch. I know there's a bunch of them.
That's a wrap on this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I appreciate the views on this. And till the next one, thank you.